I'm not wearing anything. I was wearing braces before, but I have to put a retainer so it's not, back to the... Good morning, sunshine. Today's sun has absolutely nothing on your smile. Bravo, bolero cake. Pangalan pala, bolero. And guys, if you want me to open your TikTok account and they want me rate your TikTok account, the video that you posted, I just send orange and send one rose. Uy, Snoopy, pwede mo bang i-comment din? Para mabasa mo na. I can't deny it. Ganda ng smile mo kaya. Thank you! Yan, si Lelouch. Okay, let's go to Lelouch. So, we have one customer. Lelouch. Let's open his account. So, yung video niya guys, nagpapaikot siya ng ball pen. Is it a pen? Yung lahat ng video niya ganun. Ay, ang galing. So, meron siyang 4 posted videos. Yun ang papaikot ng pen. So, read natin siya ng... Kasi walang mukha eh. Sorry, copy fair ako eh. Libra ako eh. So, read natin ng 6. Kasi walang mukha. Sabi niya kanina. Pa-shoutout. Hi, Dark Mood! Like ka bang movie? Papa J, thank you sa pag-follow. And guys, if gusto nyo po ng TikTok rating and then kung gusto nyo po na i-open yung video nyo and then mag-reaction tayo, saan lang po kayo ng just one rose. Kaya ko pala yung mag-ganun. Lelouch, ano na? Uy, toast ko yun ng 6. Lang, ang mukha, puro kami pinapakita mo. Ang ganda niyo po. Thank you po. Thank you. Mga gusto mo dark mode, magpasali sa team ko. Guys, stop your screen and share the live. And if you want me to comment or rate your TikTok account, just send a 1. Ayan, yung orange. And then, 1 rose. Ng ano po. Gagawin ko. Slow, thank you Guys, wala pa akong kalaban. Sige, maghanap na tayo. Okay. Teka lang, pero paano ba? Natingnan na ikaw. Na ako ay. Kinakabahan ako sa mga chat mo, be.